Bonjour, je suis Monsieur Yves Vraine de France. I try to make a steak with red wine sauce, what you call sauce bordelaise. Now we're going to do a red wine sauce with shallots and red wine. I slice the shallots for 2 steaks, about 100 grams. Nice and slow. Then we're going to cook it slightly with butter. Put the red wine to reduce it. When it's cooked, we fry the steak. We put the sauce on the lid. Try to find the butter. So we put butter and the shallot. And you're going to cook it slowly. Then after one is half done, we put red wine on the shallot. So you see, when it's fried, you put the wine. Like this, nearly quarter bottle for 2, and you have to reduce it. It's cooked, nearly cooked. So have to put little sugar because the wine sometimes you got acidity with the red wine. Should always put sugar. Now don't worry about pepper. Pepper is no problem. The problem is for your health is to put too much salt. Salt is not good for you. Pepper, so we take 2 steaks. Nice steak. Dry enough. If it's still blood on it, it's not going to fry properly. If you like it well done, don't need necessarily the fry pan to be very hot. If you want it rare, deep fry pan, very fast. So salt and pepper. Don't put the salt too early. If you put salt too early, the blood going off from the meat, you know. Then after you get dry meat. So it's better to do last minute. So I'm going to put a little bit butter. It's too hot, see? You can replace butter with a little bit oil. No, ordinary no olive oil with steak. Except if you want to do Italian food or not. But so never pick the meat, you know, you have to go underneath. You turn over, but don't pick the meat. If you pick the steak, the blood going off. Always go slowly, you know. So this. Then we're going to finish the sauce with a little bit more butter, because in French cooking, we use a lot of butter, you know. So this we are so skin, you know. So you cook the steak as it pleases you, well done or rare. Then I set some wine, and when you're going to eat the steak bordelaise, you finish your wine with the steak bordelaise. Because it's same wine, same sauce. It's always better when you eat the wine. You use the wine in the kitchen, you drink the same wine. Then like this, you remember the taste of it. You can find it back. It's nearly done, see? Test. So the steak are rare. So I'm going to do one whole one and one I'm going to slice it. I'll show you one also. Then you're going to put a little bit more butter to make it nice and smooth. Then you turn like this. Like this you. So one I'm going to slice it. This is 2 different ways of presentation. I like pepper, so I always put more pepper last minute. Pepper is good for your health. Don't worry about pepper. So you see the sauce? Then you cover up your steak. You can do like this. Maybe it could be more cooked, a little bit more longer. But then you put to decoration. You put parsley, and then you put the vegetable you like. So it's the end of it. Hope you enjoy it. I did enjoy it to show you how to do it. et je vous souhaite bon appétit. Au revoir et merci.